So with step 6, it says we're going to add some dimensions, and that is why I said it was okay no matter what size your rectangle or circles were, because we're going to define what the dimensions are going to be now in this step. And so the dimension tool kind of looks like this funky little measuring thing, and we're going to make I think it's the length. We're going to make the height of our skateboard 9, and so Onshape is going to measure things in both metric and in standard, and we need to make sure that sketch 1 is still selected. So if you are not seeing a box right here that says sketch 1, you're not going to have those tools up here at the top. Again, make sure that you go over and you double click sketch 1 because that's what we're working on, and we're going to get the dimension tool. So we want this right here. We can click it and it's going to tell us how tall it is. Right now it's about 2.264 inches. If I click that, I want it to be 9 inches, and so that's going to make it really tall. And we can zoom out or zoom in with our mouse or our keyboard. So that's how we can sort of move around. So that changed the dimensions of everything. It made the diameter of both of these circles 9, and it made the height of our skateboard 9. We don't know how long our skateboard is yet, so let's go and see what our next step is. By the way, blue lines are things that are not fully dimensioned or constrained, and black lines are things that are fully dimensioned or constrained. And by constrained, it means that they share a part with another figure, or there's a rule that's applied to them. And so you can see that these two lines are black. These lines are blue. They're constrained. This length right here, this dimension, is not yet set. So we're going to go back to the dimension tool, and we're going to make the length of the skateboard 31. So again, up here to the dimension tool, I click the length. Right now it's 17 point something. We want it to be 31. Okay. And we're going to have to zoom out a little bit to get a good view of this. And I could grab this with my right cursor and move it around and things like that. We can see this is just kind of a one-dimensional figure at this point. Kind of starting to take a shape of a skateboard, but not really. And so with step 8, we are going to be doing some extruding, so I'm going to come back and do another video for that one.